Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change a language in Confluence. Now, the first thing I want you to do is once you're logged in, come to the top right and click on your profile icon. Do not click on this gear cog to access settings. That's where a lot of people go wrong. That just takes you to your Confluence administration. Click on your profile icon and then click here on account settings. Okay. And this will actually open up a new tab and it will log you into Altation. So your Altation account. And here I want you to click on this option here at the top, which says account preferences. Okay, click on this, and here under account preferences, you'll see a language. You can go ahead and click on this drop down, choose any language you want. And as you can see, any changes that you make to your language will be reflected across Jira, including Confluence and all of these others as well. So you choose your language. Let's say we'll go ahead and click this one, right? And now everything will be changed. As you can see, it says right there, we've updated your language. And once we refresh, it will be changed on Confluence as well. Okay, so let's wait for it to properly refresh so I can show you the changes made on a Confluence as well as Altation. So here's Altation. Now we go here and refresh on a Confluence, and you'll see the language has been changed as well. So that is how to change a language in Confluence.